Welcome back, children. Children, we were studying about Thomas Alva Edison's life. So there were many incidents that happened in his life when he made some experiments that failed. So with the failure of these experiments, he didn't get disheartened, but he learned something that yes, these experiments failed only because of his wrong ideas. Since Thomas Alva Edison was fond of books, he bought a book to study, and when he read the book, his father gave him uh, 25 cents to for his uh, motivation. So, as whenever he read a book, his father gave him the pocket money, and he was very happy. And with that pocket money, he used to buy another book and keep on studying. And later on, he set up a small laboratory of his own. Now, in his laboratory, his mother always encouraged him and helped him in his experiments. So after some time, when he wanted to expand his laboratory. For this, he needed more money. So what did he think? He thought of doing some job. So at the age of 15, he asked his father that he would like to do a job in the railways. But his parents did not allow him. They didn't want him to do a job at such an early age. So he used some words to convince them, and they were convinced. And every day he used to sell newspapers in the railway, and the first amount that he earned was $2. Out of this $2, he gave $1 to his mother, and he said that yes, every day he will give $1 to his mother, and in this way he kept his promise. So a year or two later, Edison decided to produce his own newspaper. Now he earned so much of money that he wanted to publish his own newspaper. So what did he do? He bought an old printing press and set it up in the railway wagon. And what did he do? He edited and printed his papers and sold the newspapers to far off places. Now, with that money he earned from this selling of newspapers, he set up another laboratory in the railway wagon. One day, what happened? There is a serious incident that happened, that phosphorus fell on the ground of the wagon when the train took a sharp turn. So he was doing an experiment with phosphorus, and it suddenly fell on the floor, and it caught fire. So in this way, all the newspapers that were to be sent that day were all burnt up, and this really shattered his dreams for that moment. But he didn't give up. The next 5 years, he didn't. He took up different jobs and did his earning a little bit. But later on, he got one day when he went to his friend's workplace. He helped them with the repairing of the machines. So when he was able to repair the machines, he got a he was then very much appreciated for it, and they kept him as a worker in their place. So later on, one day when uh, this Thomas Alva Edison, what did he do? He made a lot of innovations in his life, lot of inventions in his life, and that is why he was honored all the time by the president of the USA. So in then he also invented the gramophone. This is how a gramophone looks like, and he invented this gramophone, for which he was very well recognized by the people of America, and they also often honored him for this. So in March 1878, he began to work with an electric lamp. Then people at that time, they used the candles and oil lamps to wipe off the darkness all around them. But then Thomas Alva Edison was very much hurt and sad by the situation, and he promised those people that he will surely give a surely invent electricity within 2 years of time. But gradually, what happened? He kept his work going on. He made a thousand of experiments, although the scientists did demotivate him, did dishearten him by saying that yes, it was a very difficult task and he won't be able to do it. But Thomas Alva Edison made the effort and he wanted to carry on the experiment, and finally he was able to invent the electric lamp. So, electric bulb was then invented by Thomas Alva Edison. And on 4th September 1882, for the first time, New York shone in the brightness of electric light. Later on, he worked a lot. He made a lot more inventions in America and he was recognized as the man of inventions. So, in this way, he led a life, and on 18th October, so Thomas Alva Edison, on 18th October 1931 morning, it was the Sunday morning when his illness became worse and he died. His life ended, and the life of innovations and the man who was full of innovations left this world to the heavenly abode. So he was all dead, and this is how Thomas Alva Edison was. So children, I hope you liked this story, that is the inventor who kept his promise. So children, thank you, and thanks a lot for giving your ear or listening to this story for so long. So it was a really nice story. Till we meet with our next session, it's goodbye.